Hello, my dear children. Today we will start with general knowledge of class 8. I hope you all have your general knowledge book. If you do not have, then I am sharing with the topics which we are discussing here along with the answers. So you can study from here. So first topic we have is plants habitats. So a habitat is an environmental area where a particular species of a plant or animal lives. Plants live and grow in different habitats. So we'll read the following description about the plants and we'll write the names. You can take the help from the clues which are given at the back at the bottom of this page. The first one is these desert plants are from North America and they have a swollen trunk that stores a lot of water, and they have thin and long leaves that help them to reduce the loss of moisture. So this plant name is elephant foot tree. The next plant which we have is this plant has roots like structures buried in the branches of a tree. It clings to the tree to anchor itself. It then absorbs water and nutrients from the host tree. We call it mistletoe. The third plant we have is this plant can survive in a harsh desert climate by staying dormant. It is leafless for most part of the year except immediately after rain. Its leaves quickly wither after the soil dries out. So plant name is Ocotillo. Plant number 4. These trees are buffers between the land and the sea, and they have stilt roots which act as barriers and protect the land from social erosion due to tidal waves. The plant named as mangroves. The fifth one is this deciduous tree has been around since the earliest recorded history. Its flowers are pollinated by wasp, after which the wasp dies and decomposes inside the fruit. It is known as fig tree. The last type of plant we have is this tree is native to North America and is found in almost all places in the United States. And it is usually grown in gardens owing to its beauty and extensive branching system. It is known as sugar maple. So you need to study this. We'll start with the new topic in the next class.